So if you are looking towards or selling your USDT on OKX, you have to watch this video because I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to sell your USDT for your local currency. And this method actually applies to anyone throughout the whole world. If you're from Nigeria, Ghana, anywhere throughout the whole world. So ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will show you the step-by-step guide to do that. Before you can actually do any trade on OKX, you have to make sure that your account is verified. So make sure you upload either of your national ID card or your voter's card or any means of making sure that your KYC is complete before you can actually do a P2P trade on OKX. So I'm going to drop the link to OKX inside the video description. You can use my link to actually get $3 to trade on OKX. So for we to do a P2P trade, you have to come to this buy option, buy crypto option, come over to P2P trade. So it's going to load up an interface for us to start a trade. So as you can see, so this is the interface. Like you can actually do P2P trade on OKX to buy or sell crypto. So you can actually buy crypto with your Naira currency or you can actually sell. So but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll actually concentrate on selling my USDT to my local currency. So I'm going to click on sell over here, sell. So it's going to change from buy to sell. So as you can see, like since I'm selling with my local currency, I have to find someone that I want to deal with that actually, because I have intention of selling, I think 105.7 USDT. So let me find someone that I want to sell between that range. As you can see, this person is selling 70. Okay, this person is selling 50. So we can't do it with the person. So I think we should just find, oh, this person is selling 20,000. Oh, the total amount is 89. So we can't use this person. So let's find someone that is selling between the range we actually want. So this person is selling 129 USDT. So we can actually sell to this person because as you can see, the rate is 20,000 naira to 244. So as you can see, this person is a super merchant and it has like 98.9% completion rate and like 98% review. So this person is a good person to trade with and it's more especially is online. So we are going to click on sell over here, then come over to the I want to actually sell 105.79. so I'm going to paste it over here. This is the amount I'm going to actually receive. So I'm going to continue with the transaction since I'm actually okay with the rate. So I'm going to click on confirm the payment and I actually added my bank account. If you are just starting out OKX, you'll be prompt to add your bank account to actually receive your money. So I'm going to click on confirm this trade and the trade is going to be placed automatically. So I'm going to pause this video, wait for the buyer to actually send our money, then I'm going to release the coin. So if you are liking this video so far, I will actually encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I drop a new video like this, you are going to be the first one to watch and implement my strategy. Because in consequent video, I'll be trying much as possible to be giving you some latest airdrop and crypto updates. So that reason why you have to make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. So I'm going to wait for this person to actually send the payment, then I will release the crypto.
A few moments later.
So guys, after waiting for about 1 minute, this person actually paid this amount to my Kuda account. So all I have to do is to release the payment since I've received the money. So I'm going to click on release crypto. Then okay, it's telling me the amount this person sent. So let me go back. Then copy this amount, which is the amount I received. Copy, then click on release crypto, then paste the amount. So let me confirm the amount I actually received in order not to make mistake. So I think we are good to go. It doesn't send the point, so let me just leave it like this, then click on confirm. So if you are liking this video so far, once again, please ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, we have successfully sell our USDT to our local currency, and this method actually applies to anyone throughout the world. So you can actually use this method to sell your USDT on OKX. So I'm going to give this person positive feedback. So submit, and everything is done. So both of us are good to go. I received my money. He also received his USDT. So please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.